Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to write the letter L. The letter L is pretty basic, not so much you can do with it, because that's just the one stroke. That's the most basic one. But you can connect it with other letters with a little loop up top. You see you can connect it here approximately in the middle, or a little bit higher somewhere in here, or even make a little knot here, and we can even fill it in. Or the one that the sign painters really like is this one. So basically you make the same L as the first one here, and there is a connection here. And the trick is that in here we have a connection from the downside of our lettering, but in here we can have a connection somewhere in here, and the loop will be up top. Okay, let's try this with a brush pen now. And it's basically just one stroke down. Or you can make it a little bit thinner in the upper part. And then the connected one. And then the one with a little knot up top. And a more sign painters one, which is kind of looks the same, but not really the same. Okay, yes, something like this. It can look a little bit weird when it stands by itself, but will look nice in a word. So let's try some words now. We will start with the word lime, and we will use this variant here, a little bit curvy one. And an I. So you see here in lettering you always get to be consistent. That's why I did this little trick. I started pretty thin and a curve here. So I needed to proceed using the same curve on other letters, and this little thin line up top here. Yeah, that looks nice. Also, let's try the word hello. It's inside the word, and we will try this variant here. Start the regular H. E. And in here you see the trick here is that you basically not started from the bottom, but started from here. So you make a loop here and go down. Yes, something like this. And for the last word, I will use my pink chalk marker, and the word would be lucky. So let's start this one. Make a little bit of lines here. Okay, and we can even make the K with a little swash here. Also, you can use the swash for the letter L as well. Let's try to fill it in now. No, not the wrong marker. We'll need pink here. Start making some letters with your skeleton that you drew. That's what I really like, to make a nice composition and to know where exactly all letters would be. And I'm using the same trick as I showed you for the G. It's basically the same letter as Y, but the thing here is connected. So we're standing it a little bit further down here to the right. Okay, and make a little swash here that will look awesome. A bit bolder. And the last swash here. Yes, that looks awesome. Can even add a little bit more weight here, because this one is pretty heavy here. We could do it a little bit thinner, but we can correct it by adding some more weight to the other letters. Yes, something like this. And probably the ending here is not perfect. Yeah, that's how you write the letter L.